Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the live map type you need and opening the app or website. You need a stable internet connection and, if using mobile, allow location access so the map centers correctly. Once done, sign in only when necessary to unlock features like overlays or history. Make sure permissions for location and notifications are granted. This prevents prompts that interrupt your view. Now load the default globe or map layer and prepare to select live data layers. Now add the live layers you need and configure how often they refresh. For fast-moving targets, use a 5 to 15 second update. For weather or traffic, a 30 to 60 second refresh is fine to save bandwidth. Apply filters to reduce clutter, limit by region, altitude, or vessel type so the feed stays readable. Once configured, zoom and pan to the area of interest. Make sure the map projection and units match what you expect for accurate interpretation. Finish by locking or following the specific target you want to monitor and save the view for quick return. Use snapshots or the app's share link to send the live view to others. If data is missing, clear the app cache, confirm you haven't hit API rate limits, and disable VPN or confirm location permissions. Intermittent updates often stem from those causes. If the map still fails, refresh the page or restart the app and reapply your layer settings to restore the live feed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.